Hey there, this is Mike with the Drone Passport channel. Thank you very much for joining me for this video presentation. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to be able to join me. Over the past few weeks, I have talked and talked and talked about SkyRover's FCC situation. Today, I'm going to just shut up and I'm going to fly the X1. So, let's get to it. All right, well, that's going to bring this video to a close. Obviously, this was not planned, but there were some close encounters with birds yet again. And I flew kind of high once I noticed the bird around me just to avoid it. And it came back around a third time, and I was prepared for evasive actions, but fortunately, nothing occurred. But again, as I always say, keep your eye on birds. It's always important to do that. All right. And also, today was an interesting day to fly, low clouds, kind of murky looking. And really, the only thing to do was just shut up and fly. So I did. And it's always fun to fly the X1. It's such a great drone. I just cannot say enough about it. It is truly a great device to use when you get the opportunity to do so. And, you know, I'm not worried about it being bricked. I've been told it's not going to be bricked. All these people are worried that it may be bricked. It's not going to be bricked unless something completely out of the blue happens. So don't worry about that, folks, okay? All right, with that being said, I want to extend my thanks to all the people who have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate you being a part of this. I know our numbers have grown, and I am truly appreciative from those of you from subscriber number 1 all the way up to wherever we are right now. So thank you all. I am truly humbled that you are a part of this channel. If you are not already a subscriber, I invite you to join me and be a part of this. I actually do fly drones, believe it or not. And this is an example of doing just that. So join the fun. And I also will have a lot more content out there as well. And if you could, please give me a thumbs up. That would be most appreciated as well. All right. Well, this is Mike from the Drone Passport channel. Thank you very much for joining me, and bye for now.